If you love hydrangeas but wish they flowered a bit earlier, this is a plant you might not know about. I'm Louise and this is Farley's cottage garden. This is Viburnum opulus, or the Guelder rose, and it's starting to come into flower here in my garden. At this stage, the blooms are a soft limey green. I love the fresh and subtle look they give to the garden. These flowers turn white as they age. It has these beautiful maple-like leaves which will also take on a tinge of purple in the autumn. So it's recommended to grow the Guelder rose in full sun and well-draining soil. I've got mine growing here in shade alongside some ferns and some hostas. So whilst for me right plant, right place really is the rule to abide by, I've broken the rules with this one and actually it's doing really well. This plant is great for a cottage garden. It's got a really informal, natural feel to it. It also makes a great backdrop as a plant. They can grow up to 5 meters tall, so it really is one for the back of the border. I have this here facing onto a boundary fence with a hedge behind it belonging to my neighbour. I'm hoping that as this plant grows, it's going to really grow up and hide the hedge behind it. If you want to keep it in check though, the time to prune is immediately after flowering. This plant is also fantastic for wildlife. The pollinators love these flowers. It's a UK native and it's great for our birds, as later in the year you'll have red berries which they adore. So that's this week's plant, the Viburnum opulus or Guelder rose. I'll see you next time with another plant from here in the cottage garden.